What's up, athletes? Welcome back to Feed Your Fitness. Today, we're breaking down one of the most underrated bodyweight exercises of all time, the Hindu push-up. This isn't your average push-up. It's a dynamic movement that builds strength, endurance, and flexibility all at once. Here's why Hindu push-ups are so good for your body. They work your chest, shoulders, and triceps like a regular push-up. They hit your core and spine with the arcing movement, improving posture and stability. They stretch your hips, hamstrings, and lower back, giving you mobility gains along with strength. And because it's a flowing movement, it's easier on your joints compared to grinding out hundreds of straight push-ups. That's why wrestlers, martial artists, and old-school strongmen swore by Hindu push-ups. They're a total bodybuilder and a test of real functional strength. But here's the big question. How do you go from 0 Hindu push-ups to cranking out 50 reps like a pro? Let's break it down. Step 1. Start with the basics. If you can't do a Hindu push-up yet, no problem. Begin with the positions. Practice moving from downward dog into upward dog slowly, without push-up reps. This builds flexibility in your hips, hamstrings, and spine. Step 2. Modified Hindu push-ups. Drop to your knees if needed, and perform the same arcing motion. Focus on form and breathing. This builds strength while keeping it low impact. Step 3. First 5 reps. Once you've got the motion down, aim for 5 clean Hindu push-ups. It doesn't matter how long it takes. Perfect form is more important than speed. Step 4. Progressive overload. Add 2 to 3 more reps each week. Start with 3 to 4 sets of 5, then push to sets of 8, 10, and beyond. Consistency is the secret. Step 5. Break up the volume. Instead of going straight for 50, break it up. Do 5 sets of 10 or 3 sets of 15-20. Over time, your endurance builds, and you'll be surprised how fast your numbers climb. Step 6. Hitting 50 reps. When you're ready, test yourself. Go for 50 total reps. It doesn't have to be unbroken. Take short rests if you need them. Eventually, the goal is one continuous, smooth set of 50. So there it is. Why Hindu push-ups are one of the best full-body exercises you can do, and exactly how to go from 0 reps to crushing 50. Remember, this exercise isn't just about strength, it's about discipline, mobility, and endurance. Stick with it, stay consistent, and you'll hit that 50-rep milestone faster than you think. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to Feed Your Fitness for more training tips, and drop a comment. How many Hindu push-ups can you do right now? Stay strong, stay disciplined, and as always, feed your fitness.